What? About 700 ringgit, you can get a phone with 7000 mAh battery? Walao eh, can't believe it eh. Hi, this is Aaron from oneside0.net. Today, it's pretty obvious that I will be reviewing this phone. Well, this is the Redmi 15 5G. Well, simply speaking, for less than 1000 ringgit, you can get a phone with 5G functionality and beyond that. So let's dive in quickly in this review. When it comes to design and display, this phone comes with a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD offering a smooth 144Hz adaptive refresh rate for fluid scrolling and gaming. At 374 ppi and up to 700 nits of brightness, visibility under sunlight is decent for this price range. It's built with Gorilla Glass front, plastic back, and offers IP64 dust and splash resistance for extra durability. The phone comes in midnight black, Titan grey, and Ripper green, stylish enough while staying lightweight around 217 grams. When it comes to performance, it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S Gen 3. The Redmi 15 5G brings smooth performance for everyday apps and casual gaming. Paired with 8GB of RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, it keeps multitasking responsive and fast. When it comes to benchmark, here are the scores. The UI runs on Android 15 with HyperOS 2.0. It's lightweight and not overstuffed with bloatware. One of the Redmi 15 5G standout features is the 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery. That's a class-leading size, promising exceptional endurance. Xiaomi claims 13.5 hours of standby, even at 1% in hibernation mode, and up to 80% battery health after 4 years of usage. Charging is a practical 33-watt wired, plus it supports 18-watt reverse charging, handy for emergencies or topping up your earbuds or any other devices. Over to the camera, Redmi offers a 50-megapixel main rear sensor. It won't match mid-range multi-lens setup, but it snaps satisfactory shots in good conditions. The 8-megapixel front camera handles basic selfie needs adequately. Just don't expect advanced features like 4K video or ultra-wide views. Let's get on to the conclusion. The Redmi 15 5G offers a huge battery, smooth 144Hz display, solid 5G performance, long-term battery durability, NFC, IP64 splash resistance. But it only comes with a basic camera setup, modest performance ceiling, and HyperOS may require slight customization for smoother use. In the end, for 729 ringgit, the Redmi 15 5G delivers outstanding value. If you want a dependable battery life, a smooth screen, and essential features without breaking the bank, it's a top choice in 2025 budget 5G smartphone market. And that's all I have to say about this phone in this review. Remember to like and subscribe to us, and I shall see you in the next one.